You didn't chase anything. Things are coming to you, just like that.
I just chased my dream. Again, I must say that I was very ignorant about what is Shark Tank.
this
People
this
will
thing
not
called
believe me.
ignorance is bliss आपके लिए बहुत काम कर रहा है.
One day, like I found an email, from Shark Tank itself, saying that I should apply.
You didn't apply. They asked you to apply.
Yes,
The
I got a mail. I ignored it. Yes, I ignored it for a year.
oh, एक साल.
Yes, we went in Shark Tank season 2, na? And I also got personal calls, na?
Right.
They were saying like, Madam, why are you not applying? You should apply like that. And I was saying, you know what I told them? I said, I don't have time. I said, no. And I didn't even watch even one episode of Shark Tank. तो हस्बैंड बोला हम नहीं चाहेगा, हमको मतलब ना जाने का मूड नहीं है. तो वो मतलब ये हो गया, हम तो रोने जैसा हो गया.
I can
क्या
understand.
करेगा. हाँ, पूरा मेरा पूरा पसीना आ गया बैक स्टेज ना. तो हम बोले नहीं, आप जाना ही पड़ेगा. तो दोनों बेटी भी खड़ा था, तो वो भी बोला पापा आप जाओ. तो देन पापा came along like that.
Why are husbands like that?
तो ये it's called Nari Shakti Purashkar, and when you Google it na, it says like that's the highest civilian honor for women empowerment in India. That also without knowing much I went, and later I realized we met the president, and then prior to meeting the president we had I think we met so many leaders like from the central government, and then we met the prime minister. We had one-to-one interaction. You are selected and you have to come to US. And till then I didn't know what was the name of the program also. It was like, then I got to understand the name of the program was like US Department of Fortune, US Department of State's Global Women's Mentoring Partnership. It's quite long.
We have been called there for to being mentored, right?
Right.
Now, definitely you must have visited their factories and all. Welcome viewers once again to another session on NBT Conversation. Well, just a day before yesterday, I was part of a Notice Entrepreneurship Meet where my job was to moderate a certain panel. And in fact, since it was Notice Entrepreneurship Meet, so all the 8 states of Notice sent their delegates of entrepreneur. For me, in my panel was an entrepreneur from Manipur and one from Arunachal Pradesh. You won't believe it. The person whom I met, the panelist was Madam Tagerita, the winery queen of Arunachal. So we did have a good conversation there. I want a part of that conversation to be shared here as well to you, all of you. So I brought her to my studio. Welcome, madam.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah, it's
Dr.
absolutely my
Naman
pleasure.
Pai.
So day before yesterday, we spoke about certain things.
Yes.
Please permit me to even repeat those questions for my audience. All right?
Sure.
I'll start with that. Yours is Nara Aba wine. वहाँ से शुरू करेगा मैडम. नारा आबा, ये नाम का मतलब क्या है? और like logo, maybe I have seen a logo. I couldn't actually decipher exactly वहाँ पे क्या है मैडम.
Okay. So if you're asking what is Nara Aba, so Nara literally means name of the place where I stay, and Abba means father. So it literally means father of the place. But having said that, we have just dedicated this to my father-in-law, who was called as Nara Abba by all his grandchildren.
So Nara is a place, as you said, never known about it. Which village?
So we stay, common people, they know it as, Takhe village.
Takhe village.
Yeah, so like I have this suffixed title like Tagerita.
Tagerita Takhe.
Yeah,
Correct.
right. So then it's Takhe village, and then whoever resides in that within that area, we belong to Nara clan.
Nara, it's a clan name.
Yes, yes.
You said location, then you said clan. मतलब
Name of the place.
Name of the place
it's
से clan आ गया ना?
Yeah, जी.
Yeah, please. So I'll put that, if you allow me, I'll put that logo on the screen now. Now please explain about the logo?
Okay. So, okay, let me recall. So our logo has got at the in the outer periphery, it has like deer ka horn.
Deer ka horn, na?
Yes.
Okay.
So that represents actually the entire ecosystem of our kiwi orchard in a place called Biore. So in our place in kiwi orchard, like we hear and we see deers coming out in the evening.
Abhi bhi?
Nowadays it's there or not, but then initially when we started making kiwi garden, cutting down trees and all that, clearing the forest, so that time we had deers coming out, and then it was so heartening to see all those. And
Photo
then,
hai aapke paas?
photo to nahi hai, like mostly evening रात को निकलता है. So then just dedicate that them that
that's beautiful.
actually. Yeah, so that it represents their horn, beautiful horn, and that we are coexisting peacefully. We don't harm them like that. And then also inside that we have mountain top, where our kiwi orchard is, plotted there. And then there is a symbol of streams, a vibrant streams. So we have small stream running across our garden, so it represents that. And below that there are 4 leaves. Leaves, yeah.
Okay.
So that those leaves, it represents the vibrancy of the place, like greenery.
Wow.
That is what.
Wow.
That is what the logo is.
Mountains, streams, the leaves, and the hiran.
Yeah, and animals that thrives around our kiwi orchard.
हाँ, correct. किसका आइडिया था मैडम? ये आप ही का था ना? आपका पिताजी, फादर इन लॉ, हस्बैंड, बच्चा, बेटी?
So it's a combination of me and my husband together.
तो brainstorming हुआ होगा ना? लंबा.
Yes. Yeah.
So what were the previous? इसको बहुत फिर लोगों आपने रिजेक्ट भी किया होगा, बहुत आइडियाज भी.
हाँ, बहुत सारा like colors and this, that, like that. Finally, we zero down to that. Yeah.
तो मैडम नाराबा का मतलब मालूम हो गया, नाराबा का लोगो मतलब मालूम हो गया. अभी आपका कब शुरू हुआ था, वहाँ से ही शुरू करेंगे. मैडम यू आर ए नेरिस्ट alumna.
Yes.
आई एम ए नेरिस्ट alumnus as well.
Yes.
अभी तो एम्प्लॉय हूँ नेरिस्ट का, तो नेरिस्ट कनेक्शन है.
Right.
What did you study? When did you pass out?
So I joined NERIS in the year 1996.
Okay.
So I came from St. Xavier School, Harmony. I just passed my class 10. And then soon after, through NE1, I joined NERIS. And then I studied BTech Agricultural Engineering till 2002. Yeah.
Fine. So 2002 you were a graduate.
Yes.
फिर क्या किया? ग्रेजुएशन के बाद कोई ना कुछ करते रहते हैं ना.
Actually, so even before I, completed my graduation, I got job in the Department of Rural Works.
Oh, state government.
Yeah, state government. And then during those period for, around 12, 15 years, what I did was like, I worked in the department and as well as like simultaneously, got married, had kids and all that. So that's how, my life went on. And thereafter, this journey of entrepreneurship, we started with this winery thing and it's going on.
When did it start?
The ideation was like from 2014 onwards.
So for 12 years,
No.
2002 में आपको जॉब मिला?
No, job was much earlier. As I said, like before graduation. Yeah.
तो इतना लंबा आपने सरकारी काम किया?
J.
अचानक से वाइन बनाने का मूड आ गया?
No, not like that. So we studied about winemaking also during college days. So there was there's a subject called food processing. So there we studied about winemaking and it was quite interesting. But having said that, never ever in my thoughts it had ever come that someday we would have a winery of our own. But then it was interesting in the sense that we use different kind of fruits and vegetables. We can turn them into wines. And for us, like technically wine is nothing but a way of preserving the fruits and vegetables. And today when I look back, I think that did help me a lot in understanding about the science behind winemaking.
me as a teacher of engineering, I'm so happy that actually one of your subjects that you must have not taken interest or it was part of the curriculum that helped you create your business now.
Yes.
मैडम एक बार कैमरा में देख के स्टूडेंट्स को बोलिए ना प्लीज हर सब्जेक्ट को ध्यान दीजिए ताकि कभी भी आपको बिजनेस बन सकता है.
Exactly. So in agricultural engineering, we also did classes with mechanical engineers.
हाँ.
Okay, we studied so many things, and then we did classes with civil engineering students.
Yeah, I have taught. I did teach in, agriculture students a few subjects like fluid mechanics,
Yes, absolutely.
theory of machines.
Yes. So those subjects, and also when you said machines, it really did help. You know, the principle how the machines work, it really helps. Like when we, at that time, of course, we didn't have that big machines to operate in our college laboratories. But then when we set up our winery, you know how the piston works, how the centrifugal pump works, and you know how and I mean. Pressure, how to check the pressure, temperature, and everything. It's
engineering was
so
that place,
related. It's so related. Yes.
You should thank the mechanical engineer's teacher, right?
Of course. And during those days, it was not interesting. I would be the last one to actually study. I mean, be interested about the subject. But then, yes, we had very good friends from mechanical engineering branch also, as well as from other branches.
Civil department.
Yeah, civil engineering department like that. So.
So
and also we studied electrical.
Yeah, of course. Energy system now.
Yeah, and then I was always very afraid of all kind of electrical things. But now, when I go into operations in the winery, so it's that's the lifeline actually again.
वही तो आत्मा है ना. आत्मा खत्म हो जाएगा तो फिर कुछ चलेगा नहीं. Perfect. So as I understood your life, you joined. Till 96, you were in St. Xavier School,
right?
Harmuti.
Yes.
And then you joined Neris from NE1 after class 10. You took 6 years.
Yes.
Of course, it takes 6 years from base model to BTech. And then you got the job even before you graduated. उसके बाद almost 12-14 years आप सरकारी जॉब कर रहा था.
जी.
मेरा सवाल again वहाँ पे है. फिर अचानक से why it took you 14 years or 12 years कि कुछ करते हैं. Like was that a right kind of time? कुछ हो गया. क्या हुआ मतलब सपना आया अचानक से क्या हो गया?
It's such a drastic question you're asking. So yes, when I was in the department, like my job was very easy. So a lot of comfort is there. You get flexibility of working hours and all that. So I could set up my family also. But deep inside, I was thinking. I think I'm not making use of my prime time. That's what I felt. And
you became a mother so early.
Yes. Yeah. Now when I think back, it's like, like a child marriage. When you get married at 22-23.
For Gen Zs to ye to aisa.
Yes, like that. Then, and my husband as well. So now I really have to, bring in my husband in this journey because he's a visionary, I must say.
Oh.
Yeah, nice. And then he often, talks about, doing things, on our own, like that. And then also, like, he was also in a government department, and then he had a lot of exposure going out of the state for so many trainings and all that. And he knew about the impact of having a small, industries in our own place like that. And then it was his idea. To have a winery of our own.
Okay.
And then he had no one else but me to discuss his idea. And initially I was very reluctant to support him.
You had a comfortable government job, right?
Yes. We both had.
Your husband is an officer as well, right?
Yes, he was in the industry department and very recently he has taken VRS.
To support you?
Support me, support everyone, actually.
Okay.
Support himself.
Support himself as well.
Yeah. So then it was his idea that winery is something that is very much feasible in our place. And we have a niche fruit, kiwi. And then he knew about where to locate the machines and all that. So, and then also I was there who can, maybe to some extent theoretically know what is wine and all that. So, and then Yeah, most of the things, no, we husband and wife, we discuss, right? Whether we agree or not agree, we discuss. So the discussion went on, and then it was in 2014 that we said like we need to have a kiwi orchard first, and then go for setting up the winery. So that is how it started. And I must say that, initially I was very reluctant, and then, but when I saw that, during those times, kiwi fruits were very much rotting on the ground that time. And we heard about stories how farmers were feeding the kiwi fruit to the cattle and then pigs and all that. Then we just thought, making use of those fruits, unutilized fruits, could be one of the idea, or could be one way by which, we can actually, bring in something like a win-win situation where wine could be made. We could, help the farmers as well as, ourselves and all that. So that's how it all started.
Okay. So you have designed in your mind the entire ecosystem actually. As you said, you have rotten kiwis all around, and those were fed to the cattle.
Right.
And if you could use that, because cattle necessarily don't need kiwis.
Right.
It's a luxury for them.
Yes. I mean, I don't think it's a luxury for them. They actually don't eat.
Okay.
But then we're forcefully being fed because there was so much. I mean, it was just thrown.
I get it. All right. So this question might make you uncomfortable, but be open to it. Now, when you had kiwi at your disposal,
Right.
you could have made a kiwi energy drink, kiwi soft drink, but you have chosen alcohol. I'll tell you why, madam. Because alcohol has a taboo-like thing in the society. Even the advertisements that happen on Indian TV, like let's say Kingfisher beer or Blender Sprite, they are not being shown as alcoholic products. Right, like Kingfisher is on King of Good Times, like calendars and I don't know, packaged drinking waters, and Blender Sprite as some CDs or disc or something. Surrogate advertisement.
Right.
So there's a stigma in alcohol industry.
Right.
It is supposedly a risky business in the social context.
Right.
Of course, consumers are everywhere, and government makes a lot of money through taxes. You understood my question, madam?
Right.
फिर आप इतना risky रास्ता क्यों चुना जब आप energy drink बना सकते थे कुछ भी बना सकते? And how do you promote all as well?
Yes. It's a very relevant question, but I think thanks to my ignorance.
Really?
Yes. So when we started, we never knew that, this would be something, prohibited, commercially when we start making. But then, of course, I knew, and we knew about there's a lot of misconception about, wine and drinks and all that. But also, again, I must say that, wine can be a taboo only when we, overconsume it, or, when anything is in moderation. I think it's not bad. And then we had it in our culture also.
Yeah, it will always be there.
Yeah, it was, and it will always be there. Then now, again, when it comes to taboo, I just recall one thing about our wine. So we have one wine called Kiwi Wine Classic. So the label is very different. It's black and white. It's an hand-drawn illustration. And then I've shown a shaman dressed in his fully priestly attire.
In that wine bottle?
In the label.
In the label, okay.
Yeah, it's there. So I put that label because as I can remember from my childhood, that we have shaman. My uncle, he's a shaman. So during a ritual, during a festival called Miyoko, there's a ritual where shamans offer
wine.
The most pristine wine first to the deities during his chanting and all that.
Correct.
And after offering it to the deity, then the shaman himself, he tastes this, and then he sprinkles the wine all around. And, I was wondering since that time, what could be the reason behind. And when we started making this kiwi wine, I just remember that wine is something revered in our culture also.
Correct.
And I just wanted to put that image, his own image in the bottle. So when we say it's a taboo, I don't think we have it until it really has something in a very, very big way, in a negative way, it impacts the society. Again, now when we make a wine commercially in a really huge scale, it does, have its negative impacts. And to that, I would only say that, moderation is the key. And in our case, like we also do certain, surrogate advertisement.
Yeah, where are those
Yeah.
advertisements?
Advertisements like we say we sponsor something. Like for example, now Mr. Arunachal is going on.
That's
So we
tomorrow.
sponsor, tomorrow is the finale. So, we sponsor them and then maybe our logos are put there.
Oh,
And
that
then-
way, no?
Yeah, that way. And earlier we were doing Mrs. Arunachal. So it was known as Naraba Mrs. Arunachal until government of Arunachal, they completely are now sponsoring that event also.
Oh, before
of
that,
course-
Naraba was supporting it.
Naraba, I think for 1 or 2 years. 2 or 3 years.
that's great.
Like that. Yeah, we sponsored them, and it was for the cause of women, married women, right?
Of course.
So we agreed to them, and then we supported them, and even now we are very close. Okay, and then also in many ways. No, I just forgot. I mean, even some local events also again, like in our own place, we keep supporting, and that's how we do. And also, I think the best way to advertise ourselves is to, like, from our winery itself, we do, say like, people come and visit our winery.
I've seen a lot of pictures of tourists.
Yes. A lot of tourists come, and then we passionately tell about our work. We call it wine experience. So the moment they come in, we, they ask about the machineries there, and then we tell them how, where it comes from, and then we have a professional winemaker who talks about the winemaking process, and he gives the tasting to all the visitors there. So that's how they they start talking about our wine, speaking about what we do there, and then it gets spread. Yeah. And
Wow.
apart from that, to this, one more I want to add is that we also have a lot of internships, like interns.
I get it.
We give internship. We have a lot of interns, like from colleges, maybe from BSc Agri and Horticulture
For what?
students. Yeah, they come to learn about the science of winemaking.
Okay,
they-
technicalities.
Yes, and also we have students coming from commerce and
Learn about the economics part.
Yeah, economics, because they want to study about how we manage the operations.
managerial part, right?
Yeah, all that. Now, so that's how it gets spread.
Wow. I mean, this is interesting. I mean,
And then finally, I want to say that we don't have that big budget to maybe like put up a big Hollywood star or something like that.
You don't have to. You really don't have to. You are look now the way I'm seeing it. Absolutely, from my perspective, you have supported Mrs. Arunachal, Naraba Mrs. Arunachal. That is itself so empowering. You being a Mrs. from Arunachal, you're empowering Mrs. Arunachal, and there the words get spread. Right, your name gets implanted into people whoever is there. You don't have to put an advertisement or hoarding. It's the event supporter. Then, as you said, you have winery tourism there. So whoever comes to Zero, even your Naraba winery location is one of the tourist locations. I see a lot of pictures from the tourists. And then you give interns as well. You don't have to pay anybody, क्या बोलते हैं उसका? क्या बोलते हैं उस एक्टर लोगों को जो बोलते थे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर your work itself celebrity correct your work itself is branding by itself. It's so sustaining वाला दिमाग लगाया दिमाग बोलने की क्या बोलो. As you said,
Compulsion, my ignorance.
Your ignorance came out so beautiful here. So you don't have to do any surrogate advertisement. It's a regular advertisement. Fantastic. Having said that, again, you have mentioned that alcohol, as I've said, could be a taboo for some conservative society. You have mentioned once, I remember, in day before yesterday in our panel discussions, that alcohol does not come from external source. Right. It gets generated by within the fruit itself.
Right.
Can you explain that? Because that makes it all the more, safe way to say it कि हम बाहर से alcohol का chemicals डालते नहीं. It comes by itself. थोड़ा और बताइए इस बारे में.
Okay. Thank you for this question. So what I said was that in the winemaking, like the fruit, we use the fruit, kiwi, plums, pear, guava and all that. So fruits, they are sweet, right? The sweetness is because of the inherent sugar, and we call it fructose. So it's because of the inherent fructose that they are sweet. And then when we ferment them using yeast, so it eats up the sweetness, the sugar in the fruit, and then it converts them into alcohol.
Alcohol.
So now that's why, like wine as such, we call it like a wholesome drink, because the alcohol, it also acts as a preservative for the wine itself.
Acha.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. If not wine, if not alcohol, then it's purely fruit juice. We do fermentation because certain people like the alcoholic taste. And then yes.
So if
and all the nutrients in the fresh fruit is also carried forward in the wine.
Because it is preserved.
Yes, it's preserved.
All right. What I get it is, because yeast डाल के preservation का context में भी डालने से वो alcohol बन जाता है. That's why it's alcoholic drink. अगर वो नहीं डालता तो इसे fruit juice only.
Right.
And all the nutrients are well intact.
Right.
कुछ भी गायब नहीं हुआ नहीं है.
गायब मतलब when say a raw, anything raw. Say for example, say like a meat. When you take now, when it's in its raw form, the protein or any kind of nutrient that is there, it will be more dense. Right.
Correct.
When it's cooked, due to heat or anything, certain amount.
Diffuse हो जाएगा.
Yeah. So likewise, even in the wine also, some quantity might get lost in the process, but then, the nutrients are still intact. That's why you call it like wine is something different from the hard liquor. And I've seen how they, I've been to one particular factory, distillery. Ours is winery. And I've been to distillery in US where I saw like pure distillation, where they distill out the alcohol from the grain. Yeah, those are different from wine.
We'll इस बारे में थोड़ा बाद में बात करेंगे. I wanted to speak about your experience in US. बाद में आएंगे.
Okay.
पहले अभी आपने जो वाइनरी वर्सेस डिस्टिलरी फैक्ट्री बोला ना, उसका बारे में मुझे जानना है. लेकिन जल्दी आई थिंक मे बी द ऑडियंस आल्सो वेटिंग फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन.
Okay.
I want to hear about your Shark Tank experience.
Okay.
वो कैसा हो गया, कैसा फीलिंग्स आया, whatever happened, I mean.
So whatever has happened was for good, first of all. And again, I must say that I was very ignorant about what is Shark Tank.
this
People
thing
will not
called
believe me.
ignorance is bliss आपके लिए बहुत काम कर रहा है.
Bliss, huh? It's the pure bliss. I didn't know, and I keep running up and down. People come, greet, take them inside a winery, and we have people who help around like that. Now, so it's like a daily work. Now, so startup and then the first generation entrepreneur, the workload is really very different. Now, so every day it's like it's a new challenge, and then you really have to make the best use of
that particular
moment.
day.
Yes, like that. So that way I was every time, going up, down, here and there like that. And then I met so many tourist visitors who say like, wow, and then after hearing our story and then our winemaker explaining how we do what we do and all that, and after brief interaction with me, they would say, this is Shark Tank ready. They would say like that. And I would be so, say like, look so dumb, I must say. Like, what was that, no? They would often say that and go away. And then one day, like I found an email, from Shark Tank itself saying that that I should apply.
You didn't apply. They asked you to apply.
Yes. I got a mail. Yes.
Word of mouth.
No, I got an email.
No, I understand that. I mean, the email went there because one of those stories perhaps.
One of those stories, and as well as from many other leads. I don't know, and I think it was through Niti Aayog also, because 2018 we went to Niti Aayog. We were called, and many women were given some award. Like it was called as Women Transforming India Award, and there too, like we had quite a good time sharing about our story and all that. Na? So this Niti Aayog, they actually pass on leads to Shark Tank. That's what I heard.
So yours is a very organic way of growth.
Very, very organic. So
you didn't know about Shark Tank, but you went to the Shark Tank.
Yes.
Many people had aspirations to go there. Unko pata nahi pahunch pa raha hai. You just went there.
I went there.
You brought name to our state in the national media as well.
I don't know how far, but then yes. So Then many people told me like that, and then I also got an email, and I just I ignored it. Yes, I ignored it for a year.
Oh, एक साल.
Yes, we went in Shark Tank season 2, na? And then I got it, much earlier.
Oh,
I kept on getting email, and I also got personal calls, na?
Alright.
They were saying like, "Madam, why are you not applying? You should apply like that." And I was saying, you know what I told them? I said, "I don't have time." I said, no. And I didn't even watch even one episode of Shark Tank. But still, like I must say, like they were really good to me. And then, since I kept on getting calls and emails like that repeatedly, then I asked our winemaker, our previous winemaker, I asked like, "What is this Shark Tank?" And then he told me like, "Ma'am, it's a very good platform where you pitch to the sharks, and then it's like a free promotion, and also if they like you, they will invest in your venture."
It's
like
a win-win
that,
situation, no? Even
Yeah,
if they don't
yeah.
invest, it's a free promotion.
Yes, that's what they said. And then then I said like, will it be worth? And I said, yes, ma'am. Like, I mean, if you get selected, first of all, think whether you'll get selected or not. They're just asking you to apply like that. They told like that.
Yeah, only it's just application.
Application like that. Then this one, after a year again, I got calls and emails. Then I applied from my mobile handset, and then it's very rigorous, okay?
इतना सस्ता से मोबाइल हैंडसेट से अप्लाई किया.
हाँ आराम से, बिकॉज आई रन अराउंड ना, तो नेटवर्क रूम में बैठने से हमेशा नहीं होता ये, मतलब ये से आपका लैपटॉप से ना. आई रन अराउंड, आई मीट पीपल, एंड देन अगेन वो कर दो ऐसा करके. सो आई अप्लाइड, बट देन द थिंग इज दैट एवरीथिंग, ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स, पेपर वर्क्स, एवरीथिंग वाज विथ मी ना. तो देन दैट टक पूरा अपलोड किया, एंड देन this one, like again, I kept this, I got a that reply mail, and then we kept on sending, applying like that. So many stages are there. Okay, we applied, and then finally they said we'll have to come for this
Audition.
offline audition. So we went, and then like we stayed there in Mumbai for 3 or 4 days. We stayed
On your own.
they
Is it sponsored?
No, they sponsor for stay and all that, na.
Okay.
But I think the flight booking and all that we'll have to do, because
Okay, all right.
yeah, that
Travel
was
is
there.
by
Travel,
yourself,
yeah,
but
yeah.
accommodation they
Yes,
sponsor.
yes, they were very cordial, they were very nice. So I took my whole family, now also my दोनों बेटी आया ना, दोनों बेटी को लिए, हस्बैंड को चलो जाएगा, वो सब चलो जाएगा like that.
टीवी में तो सर भी आ गए.
हाँ, उसका कहानी अलग है. So then we went and we stayed there, and then my husband was saying like, आया बहुत boring है, क्या करेगा यहाँ पे, like that ना. And he was not very interested, because we are naturally, and especially our natural boys, like they don't want to come forward, na. Like most of them are very introverted, na. ऐसा था. But then somehow like हम लोग का 3 days जैसा गुजरा, and then we came back, and we didn't know that we'll get selected also. Then we got a call, na, ki again like you have to come for the final pitching in front of the shark, na. That was maybe after 1-2 months.
So the auditions weren't taken by the sharks.
No.
Okay.
It was by their team.
Okay. Get it.
Yeah. Then we went to Mumbai again to pitch in front of the sharks, and yeah, that's the story. And now what I want to share is that any place, any platform, now wherever you are get called and asked to pitch, now you should be doing. And Shark Tank, I think, should be an aspiration for all the startups from Northeast, na.
Correct.
And I learned a lot, because when we started, me and husband together, like we were not mentored by any formal organization.
Ignorance में शुरू किया है.
हाँ, ignorance में, just fire in the belly, purely out of passion we started, na. So we didn't have any kind of mentorship. So now when we applied for this Shark Tank thing, like we understood so many things about.
खेल समझ में आ गया.
हाँ, it was really good, okay. And then meeting people there, I saw the work culture. Shark का जो team होता है वहाँ पे, उन लोग इतना hard working, so dedicated, and they really know how to get the things done.
एकदम hardcore professionals.
That is what I have seen. Sometimes वहाँ पे जाके भी ना, they pamper you so much, ना, they teach you so much, but still like we are still so we say ना like very often we are told that we have this laid back attitude ना, वो है हम में, तो then they know how to make us work.
बाप रे, they are that professional, उस level का ना.
इतना प्रोफेशनल.
Okay.
तो वो चीज़ देखा है, and even to experience there, to see them how they work ना, तो
बहुत सीखने मिल गया ना.
वो सीखने मिलेगा like that. And again like they liked our wine, that part.
वो तो देख लिया.
हाँ, they liked our wine, they tasted a lot of wine. वो टीवी में उन लोग टेलीकास्ट नहीं किया
वो
था.
बताइए तो कितना लंबा का शूट हुआ, तो कितना दिखाया टीवी में?
I think 1 hour जैसा ही होगा. तो ज़्यादातर तो लगाया ही है पूरा तो पूरा लगाया ही
तो
है.
you are okay with the telecast, no?
Whatever, and means वो ये करने के बाद ना, वहाँ ऑडिशन देने के बाद मतलब हम और देखने भी मन नहीं. आई डोंट नो वहाँ पे हम क्या क्या बोला होगा, हम इतना अभी सोचने से
देखा नहीं क्या?
I was so nervous. देखा है but then थोड़ा सा नर्वस था. आउट ऑफ नर्वसनेस ही हम गया है. One thing I want to share is that the last moment when we were supposed to enter the stage ना, मेरा हस्बैंड ये हो गया, वो बोला कि हम नहीं जाएगा, तुम जाओ.
नर्वस हो गया?
नहीं, नर्वस नहीं, लाइक ही वाज नॉट इन द मूड.
अच्छा, मूड नहीं था. बाप रे. नेशनल टीवी में आने का मौका मिला, उसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है?
नहीं, वही सो देन उस समय मेरा पसीना निकल गया. लाइक क्या करेगा अभी ना, लाइक व्हाट विल आई डू हिज पार्ट ना, उसका पार्ट को क्या करेगा. तो क्या बोलूँ, बिकॉज वी वर डिवाइडेड, हम लोग का जो टास्क था, हाँ, उसको स्क्रिप्ट मीन्स लाइक
असाइनमेंट बोल लो.
ऑल द फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स ना, वो हम लोग का है. द ओनली थिंग द इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट, व्हाट यू हैव टू से, लाइक वी कम फ्रॉम अरुणाचल, दिस दैट्स ऑल. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स ना हम लोग का ही है पूरा. तो हस्बैंड बोला हम नहीं चाहेगा, हमको मतलब ना जाने का मूड नहीं है. तो वो मतलब ये हो गया, हम तो रोने जैसा हो गया. क्या करेगा. हाँ, पूरा मेरा सच में मेरा पूरा पसीना आ गया बैक स्टेज ना. तो हम बोले नहीं, आप जाना ही पड़ेगा. तो दोनों बेटी भी खड़ा था, तो वो भी बोला पापा आप जाओ. तो देन पापा केम अलोंग लाइक दैट.
Why are husbands like that? मजा आ गया.
Yeah, like that. So everyone ना should try ना कि Shark Tank is a very good exposure, very good experience ना, कि वहाँ का work culture and बहुत अच्छा है.
ओके मैडम, ये हो गया शार्क टैंक, जहाँ पे मैंने आपको टीवी में देखा था. दूसरी बार आपको टीवी में देखा, यू वर रिसीविंग सम पुरस्कार फ्रॉम आवर एक्स ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. व्हाट वाज इट अबाउट? वो क्या है?
That was also again very, I was very surprised. Okay, तो ये it's called Nari Shakti Puraskar, and when you Google it ना, it says like that's the highest civilian honor for women empowerment in India.
Oh really?
Yes, like for it's specifically specifically mentioned like the women empowerment na, like that.
You were nominated by somebody?
I don't know who nominated me.
Oh, you had no idea? You were just
no idea. It came through pure research and then maybe word of mouth and all that. Na? So that also, it came 2020-22 and उस समय भी कोविड थोड़ा slightly चल ही रहा था.
After Shark Tank, no? Or before Shark Tank?
I think before Shark Tank.
Okay,
before that ना, I think. तो no, at the same time, before Shark Tank, yes, same year I think. तो उसमें वन फाइन इवनिंग हम लोग कुछ गांव में कुछ सोशल ये था, हमारा बुआरी का कुछ ये हो रहा था, बच्चा जन्म पार्टी ये था, हम लोग रेडी कर रहा था. देन आई गॉट अ कॉल ऑफ समवेयर फ्रॉम आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. यू सेड रीता यू हैव टू गो, यू हैव सम दिस वन ना फ्रॉम दिल्ली. आई सेड क्या करने के लिए? आई सेड लाइक दिस वन देयर इज अ कॉल ना, लाइक देयर इज सम अवार्ड, सो यू हैव टू मूव टुमारो लाइक दैट. एंड देन लाइक अरे हाँ टुमारो, वो भी शाम को. एंड ऐसा क्या है? एंड आई सेड चलो पेपर हमको दिखाओ लाइक दैट ना, इफ देयर इज एनी ऑफिशियल पेपर लाइक दैट. देन फिर होगा ये वो सब मिल जाएगा लाइक दैट. एंड आई थिंक विद इन 1 hour लाइक दैट सम कोई एक ऑफिस से कोई एक आया. एंड देन दे शोड मी, दे गेव मी सम पेपर एंड दे आस्क्ड मी टू साइन विद माई प्रॉपर नेम एंड एड्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग ना. हमको कुछ साइन करने बोला है. तो इट वाज वेरी सिंपल, ऐसा कुछ मेरा KYC था. तो उसको मैंने साइन करके भेज दिया एंड बोला कि यू हैव टू गेट कोविड सर्टिफिकेट ना. तो वो कोविड ये का सर्टिफिकेट भी हाउ डू आई गेट ना, क्योंकि उस समय ये भी बंद था.
ऑनलाइन तो अवेलेबल है ना?
नहीं, टेस्ट करके लेना था ना.
तो टेस्ट किया ही नहीं था आप?
नहीं, वो तो एक बार करके दोबारा तो फिर करके तो लेना पड़ता था ना,
वही तो
विद इन सर्टन ये का टाइम में। तो हम तो कल जा रहे हैं ना,
वो टाइम भी नहीं है।
टाइम नहीं। तो हम ये किया था शायद, आई थिंक एक डॉक्टर को कॉल किया था, तो मैडम अभी नॉट पॉसिबल ना, ऐसा कुछ था, मेरा बहुत ये था। बट देन आई वेंट एंड देन दिस वन, जहाँ पे हम लोग को रखा था, जो होटल में रखा था, एंड देन जस्ट बिफोर गेटिंग दैट ना, हम लोग को चेक किया, बॉडी का टेम्परेचर वगैरह चेक करके, देन वी वेंट इन लाइक दैट।
You went without certificate.
आई थिंक
okay,
सो।
perhaps.
मतलब अभी हम प्रॉपर से याद भी नहीं है,
okay,
बट दैट वाज द इंसिडेंट एंड it was also very this one surprising, but then I felt very nice because I met many women across our country who are working on the ground from different backgrounds. We had I particularly remember two women, like one was like who rescues snakes from their village and then nearby areas. Like she has been doing it for years and years. No,
Where was she from?
समवेयर साउथ आई थिंक।
South, okay.
हाँ, तो स्नेक्स मतलब ऐसे गली में कहाँ का कुआं में घुस जाता है, घर में घुस जाता है, तो पीपल पैनिक ना, तो उसको वो रेस्क्यू करता है। एंड स्नेक्स आर वेरी गुड फॉर एनवायरनमेंट ना, तो वो किले। तो ऐसा वाला लोगों को
Snakes are good for environment.
यस, उसका आई मीन एनवायरनमेंट का वो बैलेंस करने के लिए
Pet suits.
हाँ चाहिए ना, स्नेक्स
खा
लाइक
लेते
दैट।
हैं ना।
हाँ, एंड देन अगेन आई मेट वन डॉक्टर. I think she was a psychologist, and then I came to know so many things from her ना, कि हम लोग का इंडिया में जो है, every fourth or 10th person, I forgot the exact this one, every fourth person in the in India is like slightly depressed. They have like slight symptom of depression, mental this one na.
Okay. I get it.
This one. So that thing we don't talk about na, like that na, mental health na, we don't talk about. I heard, and she did a lot of good work na in this
Where was she from?
field. Again, I forgot where
Okay,
she was.
how many notices were there?
Notice, I didn't see anyone. I was the only
Perhaps
one
you were the
there.
only
That time, yeah. So that is it, and that was without knowing much. I went, and later I realized we met the president, and then prior to meeting the president, we had, I think, we met so many leaders like from the central government, and then we met the prime minister. We had one-to-one interaction. Yes, yeah. Why are you doing that?
No, that's great.
It was really nice, and he listened to our story so intensely, closely he listened, and then I'm sure, like, so many things can happen, good things can happen when we meet, the right person. Yeah.
I mean, again, this story again sounds so organic to me. I mean, you were just doing nothing. You were just goofing around. Not goofing around. You were बुआरी का कोई पार्टी में था, and कॉल आया दिल्ली से, और दिल्ली में जाके प्रेसिडेंट से अवार्ड लेना है। अरे बाप रे।
Like that.
मैं यहाँ थोड़ा फ्लेक्स करता हूँ। मे बी एक एक्स प्रेसिडेंट लेट डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम से मैं गोल्ड मेडल लिया था। तो वो मेरा लिए भी काफी वन ऑफ द हाइलाइट्स ऑफ माय लाइफ है। I mean,
when was it?
That was एमटेक में मैं ये था।
You were topper, gold medalist.
हाँ, तब
wow.
तो या डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम मेरा एक, मैं बोलता था उस समय मैं कलमगिरी करूंगा बोल के, because I kind of like the way he used to think and the way he used to execute his work. Anyways, let's not go there. ये तो आपके बारे में।
No. But then, like, he's the favorite president, I'm sure, of many.
मेरा तो है।
हाँ,
मेरा तो है।
I read his, so I read about him in so many books now.
ठीक है, मेरे बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, आपके बारे में बात करेंगे।
No, very good to know. So happy to know.
नेक्स्ट, अभी मैं आता हूँ आपका यूएस एक्सपोजर पे। आई एम श्योर it's not only US, you have been to other countries as well beyond India, जहाँ पे you have been invited, because इंडिया में ही आपका इतना प्रोफाइल का डेवलपमेंट हो गया, शार्क टैंक में गया है, then you have been to so many events as a resource person, as a panelist. I've been seeing your posters everywhere. तो I'm sure बात तो बाहर भी पहुंचा होगा। तो यूएस आप गया था, मुझे पता है, थोड़ा और बताइए मेरे इस बारे में।
So US was like I think 4-5 years back, na? But then the memory is so vivid, and I like the exposure that I got. And
हमें सिखाइए प्लीज अच्छा से टाइम लेके बताइए.
so it was all, I think, thanks to COVID again. So 2019-20, like I was really in a very bad shape because we started this winery in the year 2017. And before we could,
2014 आपने बोला था.
14, there was ideation, na?
Oh, 3 साल लगा
14,
उसके बाद.
15, we plan and then thereafter, na, like that. So 17 after we started a winery. Then 18, just 1 year after that, na, 17 का अक्टूबर नवंबर में हम लॉन्च किया. Then just 1 year, 18 गया और 19 का ये में शुरू हुआ तो मार्च में लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया. So like it was so this one not difficult time, and then we had to pinch our skin, na, like whether we are dead or alive, like that. And that was really
हाल हो गया था ना.
really dreadful. Everything shut down. गांव में कुछ भी नहीं. And we sustained in many ways through tourism and visits and all that, na. And no consignment is going out, like that.
सर रहा है ना. सरता तो है नहीं प्रिजर्व फिर भी गोदाम पे जमा हो रहा है.
हाँ जमा हो रहा है, सेल्स नहीं हो रहा है. एंड वी हैड वी लाइक हमारा लाइबिलिटीज था तो उसको कैसे ये करेगा विद ऑल दैट ना. तो बहुत ये था, तकलीफ था. देन वी हैड दिस समथिंग कॉल्ड दिस वर्चुअल क्लासेस ना फॉर दे वर लुकिंग फॉर women entrepreneurs. There was some kind of a mentorship going on. And it was done by an organization called Asian Confluence. Asian,
ASE.
Asian Confluence. I think it's a global NGO or something like that. So again, someone called me and then said, "Ki, will you attend like that?" And I was thinking, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है, so let's attend. What is it ना? ऐसे करके हम ये किया, वर्चुअल क्लासेस अटेंड किया. तो भी हम इतना मतलब ये नहीं था, उसमें इतना इंक्विजिटिव नहीं था. But then
I can understand the state of mind.
हाँ, and then डिप्रेस था पूरा. So then वो क्लासेस हम लोग ऑनलाइन अटेंड करते गया. एंड पर वहाँ देखा है कि पूरा हम लोग का बेसिक ना एक एंटरप्रेन्योर कैसा ये बनना है, क्या क्या चीज़ें हम लोग टेक इनटू अकाउंट ना, वो सब पूरा मतलब पूरा बेसिक से सिखा रहा था. सो आई वाज लर्निंग एंड देन वी ऑल्सो लाइक उसमें बीच में जो वहाँ पे जो मेंटोरिंग करता है, क्लासेस लेता है, दे वर रियली गुड वंस ना, जो IIM में फैकल्टी बन के ये करता है, मतलब विजिटिंग फैकल्टी होता है, ऐसे वाला लोग मिला ना. तो देन वो लोग उन लोग मतलब अटेंशन मेरा तरफ फिर आया लाइक दैट ना, इवन फ्रॉम द वर्चुअल क्लासेस ऑल्सो. तो उसके बाद में देन इट वाज लाइक 6 months शायद कोर्स था. फाइनली वी गॉट certificates and all that. Now we'll talk about
US.
Thing. US.
I am interested in US because आपने बोला था वाइनर क्या बोला था
distillery.
हाँ. तो US कैसे जाना हुआ?
तो it again came through some kind of mentorship program ना, internship ऐसा कुछ program था हम लोग का. It was online during the COVID period, and again I was referred by someone. And again, like,
you didn't chase anything. Things are coming to you, just like that.
I just chased my dream, and then things came. So it was just a casual ये वाला approach type से I did. But then through the process of learning, I found it very interesting because वहाँ पे जो हम लोग को पढ़ाने का जो syllabus जो वगैरह था ना, it sound very interesting and very very practical ना, and made it very easy to understand. So through that, I realized कि I was missing out on so many things, like na, how to keep documentation of the things that you do. Na? So those things I learned there, how important it is, and especially if you have to really go big and then go to the next phase of your journey and all that. Na? So all those were taught through that fellowship program, and then. Somehow the mentors there, the people who took classes for us, they caught my attention. And then
where were the mentors from? What were their?
There was one lady, she was a visiting faculty in IIM and many other reputed institutes. Okay, so right. Her teaching was very nice. Actually, teaching, it depends on the way you imbibe your knowledge, how you make people, receive
Correct.
your
Teaching is communication
na.
only, right?
Yeah. So the way she used to teach us, and we felt like, we could do it like that. Na? And it was
Confidence building हो रहा था ना.
yeah, बहुत interesting था. And then finally we got certificate, and that certificate, like, it came from US something. The program was fully sponsored by US.
That's nice. Man.
Matlab,
I thought
US government,
I thought
something
you
like that.
paid some.
No, never.
When you said fellowship, I thought, okay, so वो भी sponsored था.
It was like sponsored, and then yes, and that I really wanted to get that certificate ना. Although वो virtually हम लोग को ऐसे easily issue कर देता था. Easily in a sense हम लोग exam pass करना पड़ता था. तो वो pass करने से तो वो दे देता. So we did, and we learned a lot ना that. And after that they called us for in-person meeting, and we were from the whole of Eastern India. We were more than 200 women, and out of those 200 women, they called or they selected 20 women to come to Kolkata. There's a consulate office in Kolkata, US consulate office. So we were called there. And so we went, 20 of us, we went. And then
How many from Arunachal?
I was the only one.
Noticed?
Because it was virtual, so I didn't know who were there.
No, amongst the 20.
Asamka, I think 1-2 were there.
Okay.
So, and then I was one among these 20 people.
Okay.
Then there on the spot, they told us like we have to pitch in front of some people, like they maybe investors or whoever.
Okay.
So then like we prepared our pitching document.
Was it a mock pitching or real?
I think it was a mock pitching, but we took it very seriously. So it was first kind of a first hand exposure for me in all this. So I took it very seriously, and then I called up my team back home. Like,
This was before Shark Tank, right?
Yes. I need these documents, and then, what is this and all that. Because earlier, even now, I'm not the one who keep most of the records. So
You must be having manager.
Yeah, managers are there. So like that. Then I pitched. And more than that, I think, as you said, like communication and all that, like everything, I took it very seriously, because back here, where do we get this opportunity?
Correct.
Right now. And I was like, this is something I really need to know. I felt that as I was doing the things on the ground. And when I was given exposure to such things, I really needed to know this thing. Then...
You're always wanting to learn, no?
Yeah, very curious. I was curious. Yeah. And with me, there were many younger women also were there, and I could easily mingle with them, learn from them. So then I pitched, and out of after we had like around 3-4 days time there in Kolkata, and then that time like U.S. Consul General we call, he or she is the head of that consulate office. So she addressed us, and then spoke about entrepreneurship and how India, US, and all that, relationships, bilateral relation and everything like that. So it was such this one for me, big opportunity for me to hear about those in such a place. Now we were directly, getting inside that consulate office and all that. And when I spoke, when I addressed to them, and when I pitched, everyone's attention, came towards me. That's what I felt again, and...
Star ban gaye.
Not that, but then I felt, kind of, you get that energy and that aura,
You understand
like
that,
somewhere like universe is like conspiring for me like that.
Okay.
I gave my best, very seriously, I did my job. And after that, we left. Okay. And we left, and then, of course, I took some of my wines and I gifted to, the Consul General, and then people who were sitting there as an audience like that. So we gave I shared to them also. And then I came back, and after I think 1 or 2 months now, I got an email, and then saying that I need to again, pitch or submit some kind of document, and then go through a certain process to go for some exposure and mentorship, global mentorship to US like that. I was so shocked. Oh my God, this is US calling. Na? I was so happy. I couldn't believe, when I got the mail. I couldn't believe. And
This is before your Nari Puraskar,
No,
before
no,
Shark Tank.
yes, before
So,
that.
to ye to, of course, sir,
Before everything, before everything else, na, sab kuch aaya tha. So then I was so happy, and then I told my husband, see, I got this email that, and then I'll have to submit again, It's like a kind of interview again. No? So then husband said, okay, you try like that. But deep inside, I was really wanting to go, na? Like, where will I get this chance, no opportunity like that? Then I submitted, and one after the other, I kept on getting reply from them. The next phase, the next question, the next.
you never doubted it could be a scam or something. You never doubted.
No, I never doubted.
It was pretty tight space. You knew about it. It was all genuine.
Yeah, it was all because I went there, Kolkata, like that. And then I applied. I don't know how many applied, but I applied. No? I applied, and then I was getting little, bored also of submitting so many things, no? Writing so many things. And network erratic hota hai. And I kept on, as I said, I use my humble mobile. But then the way I do, I was very seriously I do. I pour my heart out, there. Everything, your story, your work, and where you want to, what you want to do, everything.
US visa is not easy to get, madam. Perhaps that's why it was very strict.
Very strict. It was, visa thing is again different. So this was an interview for...
Understood.
To be selected among the 15
even
women across the globe.
I get it, but when you apply for visa, these things also count, no?
Yes,
genuine was your application and all.
Yes. So then I applied, and then finally I was thinking, और कितना आएगा, कितना हम और लिखना पड़ेगा, like that, ना? Because you have to write. Oh my God, कितना लिखूं, क्या लिखूं और ना ऐसा था. I remember pushing away my 2 little daughters. They were much younger that time, no? I remember pushing them away. Sir, please don't come near. Mama is busy typing like that, no? I submitted, and then finally there was a call like, you are selected and you have to come to US. And till then I didn't know what was the name of the program also. It was like, then I got to understand the name of the program was like US Department of Fortune, US Department of State's Global Women's Mentoring Partnership. It's quite long, like that.
Well, it sounds so premium. Global Women Mentorship.
Yeah. So partnership, mentoring
and
partnership.
Fortune was also there.
Fortune, like this program is like sponsored purely by US Department of States.
Wow.
US Department of State is something like Ministry of maybe Cultural Affairs or like that in India. And then this US government, they have different exchange programs. And this Fortune is, say, like one of the most prestigious exchange program that US government offers to other countries, and especially for mentoring women, like that. So then I got selected, and I remember that day I was jumping like out of joy, literally like a small kid. I was jumping in our, front yard, I must say. I was jumping, and my daughters were saying, Mama, what happened? That they were asking me like, what happened, like that. And I was not able to express like that, no. But then finally I hold them, I cuddle them. I said, okay, Mama will go to US, like that, no. Oh.
American dream.
Yeah. And then they still didn't understand, of course.
And they were young.
Yeah, they were
Small
very
kids.
young. Then after that, the visa thing came, and I don't know for this one, but US visa application is really tough, na?
It is tough, yeah.
I mean, you have to go through rigorous process. And I remember one column where it was written like, what is your grandmother's mother's name? Like that. So like that, not that way. And then after that, a visa thing also, since US Department of States, they are sponsoring. And they say Fortune because US Fortune 500 companies
huh?
They will mentor these women.
Oh my God, that's huge.
That's huge. So we got selected.
How many from the 20 you got selected?
So from 20 that year, I think 3 of us were there, 3 Indian.
I'm sure Many of them got rejected because they couldn't keep up with the resilience or patience to keep on submitting documents and writing. Because I think this is one of the one way to filter things now.
Yes. So I don't know who were applying also, but I just applied. I gave my best, and then So then this one, my husband came to see me off to Delhi. Yeah. And then I flew 15 hours, and then I reached Washington, D.C. And then
where was the layover?
There was no layover.
Direct? 15 hours direct?
Yeah. Air India flight I choose. So we went, and then I reached Washington, D.C. Early morning I reached. And the first thing I did was I was so happy. I took some traditional gales. No? I took one Nishi gale, and then Apatani shawl, and many other. This one also, our traditional dresses also. And what came on my hand was there was one gale. You all have this pomo, something that
black and white.
Black and white. I wore that, and this one, हम लोग का Apatani shawl, Jilang shawl was there. I took photo down there just near हम लोग का hotel का सामने, and then I sent to my husband. I was so happy because वहाँ का देखो ये जो building जो है ना बहुत अलग है ना बिल्डिंग का everything symmetric, so clean ना वो सब देख के I was so that's so delighted.
This was before Hong Kong.
Yeah, much before.
So this is the first foreign visit.
No. It was after Hong Kong.
वही तो.
Yeah,
Hong Kong भी तो इतना खतरनाक वाला है.
It's very good. So then it was so delightful ना. Then उसके बाद में then immediately हम लोग का strict ये था उसमें classes सुबह 8 बजे से लेके शाम का it stretches up to break होता है 8-9 o'clock तक होता है like that, and it was very nice. I met we were classes were taken by many global women leaders from corporates, from NGOs, and even government offices or officials. उन लोग भी हम लोग को classes लिए.
How long was your stay there?
It was just 28 days.
That's not just too many days of exposure and learning.
Yeah, so Washington DC में हम लोग 1 week रहा. उसमें पूरा सीखा, हम लोग को बहुत कुछ सीखा, and we met so many women Then हम लोग 15 women लोग हमें से एक साथ रहता था, अलग अलग continent से, अलग अलग जगह से, different stories. It's not that what we हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या लेते कि wine making, वो just एक ये ले लेता ना, एक directly एक क्या बोलेगा 1 point ऐसा ले लेता है. As they know about the leadership they know about what we go through and all that and they also know the potential of any entrepreneur or a aspiring woman leader like that. So that's what they want to groom So then we were there from different people, from a woman working in this robotics and women working in say like child rights.
I want to, madam, I want to know what you learned.
Yeah, okay. So then from there, I think, the most, the valuable thing, which I always valued in my life also is that, being true to yourself, and also, the value of being a compassionate human being. That is what. And also the community service.
Okay.
No matter what and where you are. Your work has to actually be very inclusive. And then it has to be something, for your surroundings. There.
You were already that person, but this was reinforced in these arenas, right? In this,
yes. And they, and see, when we are here now, sometimes like you get, so many times you get disappointed and you really do not know, where to head. And even what you are doing is sometimes you, in deep inside you are convinced, but the environment that you are living in doesn't allow you to be so confident about yourself, right? But when I went there, I learned human beings or a women everywhere are same. We value the same things. It's just that we reaffirm together what we stand for, the values that we stand together. That's what I learned there.
That must have been a beautiful community of people, man.
Really. And I learned about, the difference between, the American, way of life and also here. I mean, nothing to say anything bad about our country or, to say too good about them also. But then, I also learned so many differences, which I felt like, we can learn from them to make our place a better place.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
When you go out of the country is where you actually understand a lot about yourself. Again, I'll do some flexing.
Huh.
I've also been to 8 countries for
Wow.
research conferences and all.
Wow.
And meeting the universities from those universities. Professors from those universities actually. I mean, it's more like a reflection about yourself, where you stand.
Right,
and
exactly.
What are you supposed to do when you go back? What values can you give back to the small community that you serve?
Right.
That's what I learned. So आपका talk से मैं खुद को भी थोड़ा सा flex कर रहा.
No. It's absolutely necessary, okay?
और जो मैडम आपने जो IIM का बात किया ना, इसमें भी बोलता हूँ in my final year of my engineering time, उस समय सिर्फ 6 IIM था 2005 में. I got called for GDNP and 2 IIMs.
Wow. What is that GDNP?
GDNP, Group Discussion and Personal Interview. Basically, मैंने crack किया और मेरा कॉलेज का मैं फर्स्ट था. In the 50 years of history of my college, I was the first person जो IIM से इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आया था. And in my place of interview IIM Bangalore. So जो 3 Idiots जो पूरा मूवी शूट किया ना, that's IIM Bangalore. So लेकिन I didn't actually get the admission. I was put in the waiting list. But अगर admission हो जाता तो मैं कुछ और होता. तो ये भी flex कर दिया आज.
Okay. No, I think, see, I think I'll call you beyond IIM. So like you have crossed that, place where you should be in IIM. So you are doing much better.
All right.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Very happy to hear your story. Abhi, I wanted to speak to you about your Shark Tank. I got it. I wanted to speak to you about, your Nara Awa ka logo ka meaning. I wanted to speak to you about the Nari Shakti Puraskar and your, exposure in US and other countries. Abhi, मैं आपका थोड़ा personal life पे आता हूँ. Okay? You being a woman, you were a working woman, then you have become a businesswoman, right? I want your comment on this term, housewife to homemaker. एक transitioning, एक नाम बदल रहा है, लेकिन opinion तो same ही रहता है लोगों का, especially men folks से. आपका थोड़ा उसमें comment चाहिए.
Okay. So, first of all, like I just want to share that I come from a home where my mom was very strong. So she was also a kind of, entrepreneur. So she, she did a lot for us, for children, like in grooming us, for education and everything. And as well as, of course, my dad's contribution is there. So for me, I've always looked at women as equal to men. And 1 year back, there was one NGO, a woman-led NGO who called me to Delhi and they asked me like, are women, how do you equate men and women in terms of equality? And I said like, men and women have always been equal, and if not, we are far better. That is my, belief. Okay. So now when we talk about this homemaker or a housewife, whatever term you give, I really respect them so deeply because throughout my child rearing period, even now I have, 2 young kids. So I've always, thought that this is something like we do purely out of love. And then, we just, that for that period of time, we divert our energy, our resources, our attention, and, our priority shifts towards our children, our, husband, and then the entire family, the household, I must say. So then like, and then again, like say in the society, as we say, as you said, like, especially men, they have the opinion that, women as, those women who stay back at home, like they are less productive or, something like that. This is, I think, completely wrong, what I feel. Because, when we see, like, when we look at the activity that a woman who stays at home and does, they look after the babies, the children, the husband, or everything else. Now, had she been not there, what would be the condition of the house? Right. So it is like, I think, in the formal economy also, say in terms of counting the GDP of the country, we should be actually accounting the contribution of the woman who stays back at home and then doing the household chores, looking after children, etc. That is what I feel. And men folk, I would, say, request them, tell them, ask them, do not ever, make your spouse, your partner ever feel, different from, or ever feel, let down by staying at home and then looking after children and all that. Nah? So I think it's just that. And also on the other hand, I also want to say that, see, if the wife is not looking after, then the husband should be looking after. Either you go out or, or the husband or the wife goes out. It's all the same, right?
Somebody has to bring the currency.
Yes. Someone has to be there. So we shouldn't, and women who stays back at home, like I have always been telling that they should never, let themselves down. It's just for a time being. And see, mothers, now we are the best person to do it for our children, right? No any other women or men can actually do it better than the mother herself. So that's why I think we should stop looking at women who stays at home as something different or something less.
Madam, you're lucky to have had such a beautiful community in your US exposure tour. It's not even exposure tour. You're being called there for being mentored, right?
Right.
Now, definitely you must have visited their factories and all. अभी आपका पास भी फैक्ट्री है, वानेर फैक्ट्री है, वहाँ का फैक्ट्री है. आप प्लीज बताइए क्या फर्क है? ना सेम ही होता है?
Now, thanks for asking this question. पर आप जैसे बोल रहे कि आपका भी फैक्ट्री है, वहाँ पे क्या अंतर है? So, it's अगर इस डायरेक्शन में बोलने से तो I would say like, I really don't want to talk anything, that I have factory, something like that also. But having said that, I just want to share to the audience that वहाँ पे जो है, their factories are also located in rural areas, but their road infrastructure, the power, electricity, and then the land, people, everything is so different. So I have visited a distillery of the brand called Beam Suntory. I visited 2 of the distilleries. One is of the Jim Beam and the other is called
Jim Beam?
Yeah.
Wow, मैं तो पीता हूँ.
पीता है ना? हाँ, देखो, I've been to that factory and I've seen उसका founder जो है ना, Jim Beam, Jim ना, उसका देखा है. So I've seen how, we have been told how.
You have the pictures, madam?
Yes.
Just share me, okay?
Okay, I'll send. तो कितना वो फाउंडर जो कितना हार्ड वर्क करता था ना, and I saw his statue there, वहाँ पे वो टोपी लगा के ऐसा करके ना, उसका statue है, and they are 200 years old company. And this Beam Suntory brand का जो global president है, Jessica Spence, she was my direct mentor.
Oh my God.
Then I was given exposure to their design team, their global digital marketing head, and also I've been mentored or spoken to the team who look after the sustainability concept of the company, like that. So that was really an eye-opening for me. I also took one of my wine bottle, the Kiwi Classic that we spoke, and I put them on the table. I was a little bit reluctant, but then when they asked me what you do and all that, to the design team, design and marketing head, so I took small bottle, I took there, I put it on the table, and they said like, wow, the label looks so global. That's what they said. And at once, like, I was so...
I can imagine being a local myself.
Yes.
कैसा feel हुआ होगा ना?
वो अलग से एक feel था. Then they grabbed the bottle and they saw like that. And they said like, how did you design, what's the meaning of this logo? How, who is this in the picture? How did you think about it? Why did you think, why did you put this image, particular image like that? Then I started sharing, that I shared in the beginning. Shaman wala ito. And they said, wow, so wonderful like that. And then they were also designing some of their labels, and then I also noticed one bottle there, and in one of their bottle, the new bottle they were launching, they put some belt in the bottle, and that looked so aristocratic. Okay, and it was a metal belt,
Okay.
alloy metal,
Okay.
and it was looking really nice. I also said, wow, this looks so aristocratic, and I said,
They are mostly minimalistic, no? Minimal use.
minimal use करता है, but then like that was metal in the glass bottle, and then I said like हम भी रुकता नहीं है ना, जो दिल में आते बोल देता है ना. हम मतलब for a moment I just forgot कि इतना बड़ा, and then they are such a global company and design this thing like that. मैंने बोला कि how do you like ये metal waste हो रहा है, what do you do after selling it ना. Then they said like glasses to recycle भी माने करने का ये होता है, बहुत कुछ ये है. So then do you take back this metal like after disposing it, selling it like that? They said no, it just goes into waste. Then I told them, you shouldn't do this because it's an alloy metal. Na? And then like when they are present, when their company is present in more than 130 countries across the globe, imagine the volume, the metal that is going into waste. It's just for the show, just for the looks. And I said, if you just want to put the belt, why don't you use some biodegradable material in that? Then they said, what do you suggest? I said, you use either jute or bamboo, because it's just the design of the belt.
Yeah, just for aesthetics only.
That looks, Then they said, thank you so much for the suggestion like that. Then they said, they don't have bamboo. I said, please import from India. That was one. And that apart, see, the thing is like, when I went, I mean, they are so humble. They are so humble.
They didn't get offended, right?
No, why would they? Why would they? Somewhere like in our conversation, you said that you are very open to critics, no? The thing is that, big companies, they value smallest of the small things.
हमारा यहाँ पे तो
Opinion में, हाँ.
हमारा यहाँ तो कुछ बोल देने से गुस्सा हो जाता है.
हाँ, आप कौन है बोलने वाला? Like that, no? So वो नहीं था. I felt nice. I sat with them for nearly 2-3 hours like that. I learned a lot. Na. Their room was full of, artistic designs and all that. Na. बहुत कुछ. And I also asked them, ये क्या है? It's just as, splashing colors. इसमें क्या है? गहराई क्या है? They explained to me like that. I learned a lot. And then I visited 2 factories when I went there. First, it was Jim Beam ka factory in Kentucky. And then again...
Kentucky वो है ना, Kentucky fried chicken वाला.
हाँ, वो वाला. वो बिल्डिंग भी देखा उन लोग का ना, on the way में. हाँ. तो रास्ता में, and then Jim Beam कैसे शुरू किया, they are 200 years old company, वो सब देखा. And then कैसे कितना बड़ा factory, how automated they are, and how वहाँ पे tourism flow होता है. The मेन थिंग जो हमको ना बहुत इम्प्रेस किया है कि उन लोग का रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इतना अच्छा है. एंड पीपल फ्रॉम द विलेज, दे डोंट हैव टू माइग्रेट टू द सिटीज़ ना लुकिंग फॉर जॉब्स. वहाँ का एग्रीकल्चर इतना वाइब्रेंट है. सो फार्मर्स आर वेरी रिच देयर, दे आर सेल्फ सफिशिएंट. So here our farmers, many a times, especially like mainland India and even in our places also, we don't have, farmers can't afford even buying the seeds and saplings and all that. Na? तो वहाँ पे उन लोग का farmers का जो economy है, वहाँ का living standard है, it's very different. ना? वो देखा है. घर लोग इतना सुंदर सुंदर है, बहुत साफ है. It's exactly like हम लोग जो कार्टून देखता है. तो वही कार्टून में जो घर होता है, ऐसे ही इतना सुंदर, vast land. Greenery everywhere, and people look so happy, they look so healthy. वो वाला मैंने देखा. And factory देखिए, it's far away from the main city.
तो धुआं सुआ का आदमी को
200-300 kilometers away.
वही.
And then factory वहाँ पे है, and then where the place where I went, like they use it's a distillery. So what they do is they use corns, cereals, na? Corns, then maize, corns, and then this, what else, oats, and other, cereals.
As what?
As a raw material.
As a raw material? Yeah. They produce alcohol from there?
Yes. Oh. First, they do the fermentation. Okay. And then millets, etc. ना, तो वो first उसको उन लोग fermentation करता है, and then after fermentation, then fermentation ऐसे said वहाँ पे alcohol generate होता है, तो वो alcohol को उन लोग फिर distill करके pure alcohol को उन लोग distill out करते हैं. तो नाउ दैट अल्कोहल जो होता है वो प्योर वाइट, इट्स अ प्योर अल्कोहल ना, तो वो अल्कोहल को उन लोग एज करता है इन ओक बैरल्स।
जो 12 years 18 years हम जो सुनते हैं ना,
हाँ, वो इट्स अ वेरी रिगोरस प्रोसेस ना, वो देखा है। एंड देन अगेन उन लोग का जो मैंने जैसे पहले बोला सस्टेनेबिलिटी कॉन्सेप्ट को ना, उन लोग क्या करते हैं वो वहाँ पे जैसे उन लोग कॉर्न यूज़ किया या ओट या मिलेट व्हाटएवर वहाँ पे जो यूज़ किया, उसको फिर दोबारा वही चीज़ को उसको उन लोग फिर कुछ रिसाइकल या कुछ प्रोसेसिंग करके दे मेक इट ये का कैटल्स का वो फॉदर बनाता है। इट गोज बैक टू द फार्मर्स, इट गोज बैक टू द सॉइल अगेन लाइक दैट। एंड देन वहाँ पे क्वालिटी कैसे मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं, एक एक उन लोग का जो मशीन है ना, पूरा मतलब हम लोग का घर का एक कमरा का जैसा साइज। एंड
इतना कमरा जितना बड़ा साइज।
हाँ, वेरी वेल ऑटोमेटेड ना, वहाँ पे मैनुअल काम वहाँ पे मतलब जहाँ पे एकदम बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायर्ड है वहाँ पे क्योंकि क्वालिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए भी बहुत मतलब ऑटोमेटेड होने से ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है।
Plus, machines don't lie. Machines are diligent. Machines are unbiased.
राइट राइट। सो वो सब देखा है। एंड देन ऑल्सो सो कि इतना दूर में जंगल जंगल तक उन लोग का रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, लाइट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कितना अच्छा है। और यहाँ पे हम लोग का यहाँ पे वायर्स रोड साइड में कितना हैंग करता है, हैंगिंग करके पूरा मतलब पूरा लुक्स को बिगाड़ देता है इन स्पाइट ऑफ आवर लैंडस्केप बीइंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। तो वो पूरा वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से उन लोग का इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्स एंड वायर्स एंड एवरीवेयर बहुत अच्छे से उन लोग ये करके रखता है, डिज़ाइन आई मीन वेल प्लेस्ड ना, वो सब देखा है मैंने। Then also like in a rural area, how a self-sustaining economy, na? Farmers, they really don't have to, farmers or anyone from the village don't have to migrate to cities, as I say it again, na? वो सब देखा है।
Madam, can you appeal in one line or two to our government, please? क्या पता कोई सुन ले ये वीडियो।
सुन लेने से तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर मैनी ऑफ आर लीडर्स ऑल्सो ना, दे गेट एक्सपोजर ट्रिप ना। आई यूज टू सी दिस किरण रिजिजू सर, उसको फॉरेन ट्रिप्स में देखता है ना, हम लोग का नोटिस का बोलने से। एंड अदर लीडर्स को तो वी डोंट नो। और हम लोग का यहाँ स्टेट का लीडर जैसे DCM या CM सर है, ये लोग तो कभी कभार जाता भी होगा, आई डोंट नो ना, हम लोग इतना जो मीडिया में नहीं आता हम लोग देखता नहीं है। बट अपील वही करूँगा जो भी हम लोग का लोकल लीडर, लोकल बॉडी से लेके कि हम लोग का जो रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है बेसिक हम लोग का जो एक रिक्वायरमेंट है हम लोग का कॉमन सिटीजन्स के लिए, वाटर एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। वैसे तो आई मीन इट इज़ देयर इन द गवर्नेंस और गवर्नमेंट का तो है ही है, बट दिस हैज़ टू बी रियली प्लेस्ड वेल ना। एंड स्पेशली व्हेन वी स्पीक अबाउट टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट ना, तो हम लोग का नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड अरुणाचल स्पेशली, every place, every district has its own beauty in a different way.
Correct.
So tourism is one sector जहाँ पे it's pollution free but highly sustainable. तो ये सब अगर ये टूरिज्म इकोनॉमी को हम लोग ड्राइव करना चाहते हैं तो we need to have the right infrastructure. No, so that has to be there. And even if not that also, तब भी हम लोग को citizens को we need good roads, electricity and water. ना एंड ऑल्सो या रियली लाइक अभी जो जैसे फेस में अरुणाचल जा रहा है, फ्रॉम द टाइम व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लाइक 7-8 years बैक व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड ना, सिस्टम बहुत ये था लाइक थोड़ा सा आई फेस लॉट ऑफ बैरियर्स ना बिकॉज ऑफ द सिस्टम, बट नाउ इट हैज़ चेंज्ड. And see like our leaders, like especially Pema Khandu sir, now we see he's very very connected to youth, na?
Correct.
He knows the aspirations of the youth, and then and हम लोग entrepreneurship को बोलने से भी he's very encouraging, na? At least he listens to, he asks.
Correct.
And he's very open to critics.
Correct. That's the best part.
Yeah, I heard this this हम लोग का जो 20th February में जो Statehood Day celebration हुआ था, so I was invited in this one to park mein. So I was listening to the speeches of all the leaders, and Pema Khandu sir, when he said like, I really invite and appreciate critics na, the criticism na from the youths and the public na, which I really liked.
This is a sign of greatness actually, when you can take critique, criticism and all.
Absolutely.
Because that's the only way to improve.
That's
How
the only
else can
way
you
to
improve?
Now look at now, I feel so this one happy, okay, looking back 7-8 years back, whether me as a as a business, na, like whether we are growing or not, but the system is changing, okay? And now also youths, when they interact, na, I mean, they know the things, na, the right things in the right way they know. And that's because, governance is like taking shape in a better way.
ओके मैडम, अपील हो गया, थोड़ा तारीफ भी हो गया गवर्नमेंट का।
हाँ।
1 घंटा से भी ज़्यादा हो गया, तो कंक्लूड करेंगे मैडम। Do you want to say some concluding remarks to my audience, or you're fine with whatever was spoken? Do you think you have missed anything?
No, I think everything was okay only.
All right. So,
And I just wanted to, say best wishes to you.
thank you.
Yeah, best wishes to you because I know very well. I've interacted with you 1-2 times, and I understand you really do this, out of your pure mind and heart. You want to preserve it as a
Library of educational content.
yes, right. Now, so that's why all the more our best wishes are there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Madam, before I conclude, I'll say one line about you, and that should be the key takeaway from this conversation. Tagarita Madam has always been somebody who she claimed herself to be innocent and ignorant, which maybe she was, but she was always open to opportunities. Whenever opportunities knocked her door, she never said no. Although she was scared, she was, she felt timid at certain points, but she always said yes. Oh, yes ka chakkar mein she went to US. Yes ka chakkar mein she went to Shark Tank. Oh, yes ka chakkar mein she got this Nari Puraskar award. And oh, yes ka chakkar mein she is now the winery queen of Arunachal Pradesh. So, यही बोलना चाहूँगा. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you so much.